Hello guys and welcome. Today we are going to go through the installation and setup process of CleverReach Action Automation for Workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, navigate to App Marketplace on your sidebar, and in App Marketplace, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install, and when you find it, just click on it. From there, this interface pops up, and on this interface, click Install and allow an install. Next, refresh your page. When the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface that pops up, there is a series of very important tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about this application. Up next is the tutorials tab, which has resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. And next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To do that, start by copying your redirect URL and clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your CleverReach account online and click on your profile. Next, click on My Account, and from there, click on Interfaces, then REST API. In REST API, click on Create Auth. Next, paste the redirect URL that we copied above and select your scopes. Then click Create. Next, click on these icons and click on Certify. When that's done, click on Auth and you can copy the client's ID, head back to your account and paste it where required. Next, you copy the client's secret, head back to your account and paste it where required. And then you click Complete Setup. And as you can see, the application has been set up successfully. Make sure you do not forget to certify your application in case it shows not certified, like here. To do that, you just need to click on these three dots and click on Certify. Then fill this required information. That's all. Up next is the Support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. And finally is the Changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in this application. And you can also receive notifications each time a change is made in this application by toggling this on, filling in your email address and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.